I'm about to do what is possibly one of the most controversial things you can do to a car in 2023. That's right, in today's video we're going to be putting a pop and bang tune on my Fiesta ST, and some of you guys are going to absolutely hate it, I can already tell. Now, pop and bangs is just one of those things, you know, you see a video of a beautiful car sounding amazing, and then pop and bangs come out and everyone's absolutely slating it in the comments. Am I going to get slated in this video? Well, we'll find out, won't we? Now, this car is around 250 brake horsepower. I've not actually had it dynoed yet. Stage 2 is not on the car right now because, you know, this is my daily driver, so I want it to be economical, and on stage 2, it's just not economical. So I'll usually go back to the stock file, but what that does mean is I've gone back to 95 fuel at the moment. So what we're going to do now, go to the fuel station, put 99 in, and then we're going to put on stage 2 pop and bang. Is that a bad thing that I'm doing? Keep swapping the fuels around, or should I stay consistent? Let me know down below, because I have no idea. Alright, you lot, I've just filled up with fuel, and now, as you can see down here, I've plugged the tuning tool in, and as you can see, stage 2 at the bottom there, P and B for pop and bang. So, let's tap on this, and boom, here we go, ignition is on. This is now installing onto the car. It should take about a minute or so, and then we'll be underway. Alright everyone, and just like that, the stage 2 pop and bang is on the car. Unplug, put this back in its box, and we are underway. Alright, let's start the car. No, 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 no. Why is that? Come on. I have no power steering. Maybe because I didn't switch off the ignition. Oh, that was why. I didn't switch off the ignition. Oh, mapping is stressful. That'd be on ropes. Oh, we got stage 2. I'm going to put ESC off, like sport mode, so we're like half off. Oh my god, that made me jump. Bro, that made me jump when I changed gear. It went bang twice. Whoa! Bro, it's so quick. Whoa! I forgot how quick stage 2 is, bro. Let me change it to 3rd. Bro, that was only to 4K revs. Oh, it's quick. Oh, it's so quick. And the pops are ridiculous. They're loud, but they're not like deafening. Like, they're not like my Mini Cooper, my Mini JCW bangs, you know. Okay, they're a bit louder with the window open. Wow! Oh my god! Oh mate, them pops are ridiculous. It's like I'm in my Mini JCW again. Jesus Christ. Oh, this is sick. The pops in between gear change. Do you hear that? I'll change it to, from 2nd to 3rd. It's like vroom, boom. Oh mate, that is sick. Being able to switch this from, you know, having pop and bangs and then not will be nice. Like the Mini, you know, you could switch it, like, because after a while that is going to get really annoying. But on the odd occasion when you're going for a tear up, mate, I don't mind that at all. Will there be flames though? I don't know. I reckon maybe at night time when the car's hot, maybe you'll get the odd flame come through. I don't know though. What, they resurfaced this?
Yeah.
Oh! Mate, it's like being in my Mini again.
Oh no. I haven't even been on this road yet.
Yo, this is sick.
It's fully. That's up here as well. What happened, well?
Mate, this is sick.
So actually quite a good road to drive down now.
Them pops, man, oh my days. You end up trying to accelerate just to stop them.
Yeah.
They're that constant.
Go faster, go faster.
Woo! Alright everyone, I think that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed and let me know what you think of the Stage 2 pop and bang map. Would you have it on or would you not? And yeah man, I'm pretty mixed about it. Like, it's very fun to have on, but definitely, you know, to have the options to turn it off is a huge positive. Having this on for a daily driver is way too much in my opinion. But yeah, huge shout out to the guys over at AT for sending that out, and yeah, it's a lot of fun to have on your car. And yeah, all their links and everything will be down in the description, so go check them out. But the thing is mental and it is fast as well now, or the wheel spin you get from it. Mate, up to the speed limit like that, it's so quick. Like I say, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.